two boundaries. One is for secondary and one is primary boundary. So here we have the blend option, but in blend it won't create with any draft, right? But we need draft.
Yeah.
So whenever I am designing, I have to consider my manufacturing feasibility.
Mhm.
See, in blend, it is coming like somewhat curved profile, right? If I don't want this curved profile, I will change it
Yeah.
to point. So on top, it is changed as point. For the secondary, it should be point. See, in blend, I can able to, by default, what happened? It is created some profile at the corners, but it is not proper, right? It is kind of twisted. Hello.
Sorry, something came up.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what I was saying is like in blend, on the corners you are
Mm-hmm.
not able to get it properly.
Mm-hmm.
So in blend also it is not
Yeah.
coming properly. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So what we have to do
Yeah.
is, so this boundaries, whatever I have created
Mm-hmm.
the boundary. So while
Mm-hmm.
creating the C surface only, you will have the many complexity or challenges.
Mm-hmm.
So already I have created one boundary.
Mm-hmm.
So what I am going to do is I am going to do the sweep option. For this
Mm-hmm.
each and every, instead if I do in one single shot, it is not coming properly. So what I am going to do is just going to
Mm-hmm.
do individually.
Okay.
So at least till here I am getting it.
Mm-hmm.
So till where we are getting, we can go with that.
Okay.
This is one mirrored part only. If you are doing one side also, you can, what you can do is you can mirror this
Mm-hmm.
surface so that easily you will.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
See, just to check it whether it is coming outside or inside.
Mm-hmm. It's coming out.
Yeah, material is coming out. So how you
Yeah.
want like your core should be,
Mm-hmm.
it should come in or out, whether it should be inside or outside. Are you able to
Or
guess it? Just imagine the core and cavity, how it will be.
it should be inside, maybe.
If it is inside, then your parting line will be
Mm-hmm.
on this edge, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Then it will move along with the side surface, will move along with your cavity.
Cavity.
Sorry, core. This pink color is your cavity. So
Mm-hmm.
as of now, I kept this. This is my parting line. So that what will happen,
Okay.
this parting line will, this before, after this point, everything will go
Mhm.
in core side. Okay.
Okay.
So parting line plays a major role here.
Mhm.
See, even though if I trying here, I am not getting proper surface, right? So what I will do,
Yeah.
once again I need to modify it. Till here I will stop. Instead of selecting
Okay.
this curve, I will
Mhm.
stop this edge. This is element 5. I have removed this element 5 and think
Mhm.
this first side we removed the first. So that is why we are doing the multiple extract. It will be easy to
Okay.
control. So till here
Mhm.
it will be okay. So this surface alone, what I will do, I will once again I have to create the sweep, selecting
Mhm.
this guide curve. So if I give this tooling direction, again it will go in this direction, right? So that what I will do, I will go
Yeah.
along with this surface. So what I will do, just I'll
Okay.
select this surface.
Mhm.
Already this surface is with some draft, right? If I
Yeah.
remove this draft, automatically it will guide it with the draft.
Okay.
See, it is merged.
Yeah.
Still, I am not getting it properly here.
Yeah. Still.
Something it is going in.
Mhm.
So in tooling aspect, is it okay? Then we can proceed.
Mhm.
Just it is not extracting, right? So what I will do is just I
Yes.
will do the extrapolate
Okay.
only to this particular line. See, it is not able to create the
Mhm.
extrapolate.
Yeah.
If I reduce the value, maybe there is a chance. See, in 1 mm,
Okay.
if I am trying to keep, it is creating,
Mhm.
right, till here.
Yes.
So instead of doing this one, so I have another option for sweep.
Mhm.
So this is nothing
Okay.
but your guide curve and your profile.
Mhm.
Otherwise, in first sweep also you will have one profile and guide curve. So what I will do is
Okay.
I will take, so already we have this surface. So this is my profile and guide curve. I will select this line
Okay.
and surface I will select